Good morning, everybody. Welcome back, all you friends. We've been kind of busy here in the last few weeks. I wasn't sure if I was going to post this or not, but down to 30 off the end of the porch there. And guess what? There's a stovepipe all hooked up. There's a fire going in there right now. So, I know a lot of you guys. I know if it's done right, it's not supposed to leak, but if it does leak, then I got a major issue. I won't know until the insulate's soaked and it's water's coming in. So this way, I went through the gable end. Yeah, I built this big bracket, which is extremely sturdy. I used GRKs, 8 inches long, and down here goes into LVL, a big LVL beam that runs across. Up there goes into the top log. I do have a clean out on the bottom there. I just slide that piece of tin out and can clean that pipe out. So I got it. I think we're up on the peak because some reason the ridge cap cracked on me. That's laying over there. We changed that yesterday too. I had a couple of friends, neighbors. They came over and rode the peak and changed it for me. So that was great. They said blind guys shouldn't be up on the roof, so I kind of agreed. So while they were up there, they checked, and it doesn't look like it, but it is 18 inches above the peak. So we'll draft fine. We've been running this almost 24 hours now. I'm just kind of getting it back going this morning because I should have woke up in the middle of the night and threw some more wood in it, but I didn't. In here, but it's going. But I guess I could shut this. Hey Trailhawk, I hope you don't mind being in the video, do you? So this guy's hiking the UP of the North Country Trail in one shot, pretty much. Almost. He skipped the Pictured Rock, so he was by Dequamanon, so I've been watching him on Facebook. So you can look him up if you want, Mike Trailhawk Dunn, right? Yep. And so we picked him up yesterday at Dequamanon, and he hung out with us yesterday, so.
Had some nice downtime.
All this because I forgot my microphone, but. So, anyways, we're going to drop him off, and here in a little bit, he's going to head south to St. Ignace. About 120 miles, I think it is. I've already done it 4 times, so.
I'll get pretty close.
Yeah. Because you got, what, 5 days left on the trail?
Yep, to the 31st.
So.
I'm just getting as far as I can.
Heater mounted, which we only use that one to take the show off. There's, what is it in here? What does it say? 70? Huh? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I got the fire going, and then apparently I dampened it down too much, and it was struggling for a second. I figured I'd give you guys a quick update on what's been going on. Oh, Joni did get outside the cabin all chink. You don't see the daylight through here now.
And behind the.
Yes, and behind the heater. She chinked that. Now, I think she's missing a couple logs up here, but behind the heater it's chinked. So that's permanently mounted. Even got the hose outside. So it's coming along slowly. We got oh yeah, I forgot about this part. Started working on the ceiling boards. I think I showed the rolled insulation got all up there, but need to finish that all the way up. Anyways, give you guys a quick update. Remember, don't let your disability hold you back. If you want to do something, get out and do it. Catch you guys on the next one.